Hey everyone, welcome to a quick guide on updating your Intel drivers using the Intel Driver and Support Assistant. First, open your web browser. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge works fine. Type Intel Driver and Support Assistant into the search bar and hit Enter. Click the first result to visit Intel's official page. On the page, hit the Download Now button. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the prompts to install the assistant. It's super straightforward. Now, launch the Intel Driver and Support Assistant from your Start menu or desktop. It'll automatically scan your system for outdated Intel drivers. This takes just a few seconds. When the scan's done, you'll see a list of available updates. To make it easy, click Update All to download and install everything at once. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet. If prompted, save your work and restart your PC to finalize the updates. And that's it! Your Intel drivers are now up to date, boosting performance and fixing bugs. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.